So for my video on sound, I'm Ty Hargis, by the way, and I've decided to choose a scene where Eve meets Wally for the first time in the movie Wally, and just kind of point out some aspects of sound that are pretty important or cool moments where sound is used, and just kind of explain how it furthers the story and how it kind of relates to the stuff we're talking about class. So here we go. So I think just that very first scene to where this explosion happens right here. This is a result of Eve kind of destroying everything around here, and this explosion just kind of shows truly how powerful she is, and kind of makes you feel a little bit nervous. And I mean, Wally sees it, and you can see in his eyes how truly nervous he is about what just happened. And you can literally see the explosion in his eyes. So the way sound is used in this scene to kind of heighten the power that Eve has, um, I think is pretty cool with the explosion, which just makes Wally a little bit afraid of really what Eve is capable of, and makes him a little bit nervous to what's about to happen. So with this scene too of Wally kind of tapping his hands, I think it's pretty cool how without any dialogue spoken really in this movie, especially for the first 30 minutes, they're able to show just through the tapping of the hand something so simple. It lets the viewer understand that Wally is nervous. He's nervous to meet Eve. He just saw the destruction that just happened, so he's really nervous of what's about to happen when he talks to this new robot Eve, and it just shows how really important this meeting is and to him, and how he's just never really seen anything else for a long time. So the way that sound is used in this is pretty cool. So also through the whistling, I think that's a pretty cool way to also show how nervous Wally is with this meeting, and without any dialogue, being able to show that emotion in a robot, to the meaning of these two. I think it's a really unique way to use that to be able to show emotions for a robot. So obviously, sound is huge in this meeting between these two robots, as neither one of them really speaks any type of language. As you can see, them trying to communicate with each other is very difficult, and the way in which sound is used just for Wally to basically say his own name, I think is pretty cool in the way in which it furthers the story of truly how hard it is to communicate in this world that these robots live in, and obviously doing it through sound just shows how important how sound is in a film, and being able to show what characters are feeling without dialogue, and kind of what's going on in a film, without truly having to say it. So I think Wally especially does a great job with its use of sound, and being able to, I don't know, immerse the viewer truly into the world that these robots are in a new and different way, doesn't need that you don't need to be told exactly what's going on. hear sounds and hear different verbal cues, not verbal cues, but sound cues, um, and know what's going on in the movie. So I think Wally does a great job at that, and yeah, that's basically it. So hope you enjoyed it.